Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with my Creative Times 142nd edition release. Today is the first day of the sneaky peeks, and I am going to start off with this gorgeous Gardens paper pad. And it's super cute, colorful, bright and airy. Just think spring or summer. Anyway, so let's jump right in, and I'm just going to kind of show that to you a little close and turn it at the same time so that I can show you this paper pack. And this is a 6 by 8.5 paper pack, and starting out with these little cute little birds. Hopefully you can see that. It's just adorable. Sorry that I have to turn it this way, but I want to try and get it all in frame. And there goes the green and little heart paper, and it also has like wood grain behind the hearts. And there goes that side, and then this one has just a ton of colorful flowers, just beautiful. And this is kind of like a jean print on both of these, and her paper does have a little shine to it. Just super cute. Those are little pink hearts, just really adorable. And it almost looks like it has like a flower pattern or some kind of pattern behind it, but it could just be jean. And then there goes the pink side, and it's like a pink jean. And strawberries with gingham check behind it. And then we have some polka dots and this beautiful flowers and strawberries. Just adorable. That is so pretty. And teal is my color, so love that. And then there goes the color that's behind that one. And that's the paper pack in its entirety, and then it just starts back over into these stamp and die sets. So starting out, we have the bird and house stamp and dies. It'll come nine in the set. And we have the background die here. That's the layering piece. These are the roof pieces. That's the little stoop. And then this part is the layer for that there. And then we have the birds. They face each other. And this would be the belly here, and the wing and the tail. And that's one for each there. And then we also have the birdhouse tag dies come 4 in this set. So we have the roof, we have the background piece, and this is like the stoop that the bird will stand on there. Now with the stamps that go with this set, there they go right there, and you can take a look at that. Then I also use Create a Treat bag. I'm using the smallest one there. And then from the leaf die plate, I'm using just these there, but I'm using the plate there. Showing you what I created here. As you can tell, I did a little treat box, and I'm going to take that out of the bag so you can see how that looks. But on the back side of this tag, I put just because. And that was using that stamp set that went with the little birdhouse there. All right, let me show you how it looks on the inside. Taking this out of the bag, I forgot that I did use the assorted mini bow dies. So I used a couple of these from here. What did I use? I used this one here. And then I also used the smaller one for the other birdhouse. So let me show you these a little bit more close there. And that's really cute. Put just because on the back side of that. And then as you can see, there goes that Create a Treat box that I used. I did not fold the flaps in on the side, but just left them straight. There goes the little bird, that cute little bow. And I did turn it into a shaker. And then there goes those leaves that I used there. And as you can tell, it's completely finished, but I really like how that turned out. So that's my sneaky peek for this for today. And if you come back tomorrow, you can see what else we have to show you. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.